Hey, what is going on YouTube? This is Robert, and today I'm bringing to an unboxing, which I obviously haven't done in a little bit. I did obviously the large one last time, but like I said, I want to more so save things up for unboxings instead of just throwing them out with like one or two items. So today we've got a couple. It's not going to be the biggest in the world, but it's better than nothing at the end of the day, because I don't think I'm going to have anything in anytime soon, to be honest. So yeah, you'll just have to deal with this at the end of the day, and that is that. Yeah, there's nothing else that can be done, to be honest. I haven't really copped anything recently except for these pieces, so yeah, it might not be the most interesting, but as per normal, let me know down below whether you've picked anything up recently. If you have, what was it? What like drop? What streetwear brand or brand in general, or what have you just bought recently? So yeah, it's also hot, I'm realizing. So this is going to be good. Okay, so now that we're obviously sitting down, I don't know if this is like the right angle. It's just because I want to sit like upright sort of thing. So regardless, now that we're sitting down, we can get into this. I did unfortunately open one of the packages the other day, just purely because of the fact that I'd seen that some people had been missing items from their orders, and personally, I didn't want that to happen to me. So I just wanted to verify that I was like, you know, all good, all safe, or all in the clear. So as of that, we're going to be kicking off with Kith, or Kith Taylormade specifically. Now, I obviously did a live cop. I should have bought more. I was very indecisive. I said I didn't want to spend, you know, £300–400, but realistically I could have spent like £250 and been content and had my personal pieces, but I didn't do it because I'm stupid. So yeah, obviously because of that, we've only got two pieces. I really wanted a pair of shorts, I'll be honest. I think they were the fairway shorts, and there was another pair. There was basically a white pair with like a blue, navy, black-ish stripe, and then there was a green pair with red. I should have bought either, realistically, a medium, but I didn't, and you can't really find them anywhere now. So yeah, I only ended up with the glove and the balls. So the glove is very plain and simple, as you can see. If I do it like that, it's really simple. Like, yeah, so if we just open it up and get it out, hopefully it fits, because I am a small typically, but we shall see. Yeah, it's a bit big, but it's good. It's good enough. I like that. It's really vivid and bright, isn't it? That's really nice. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, Kith, you win me with that one and your minion logo that you've got going on. It's most definitely a minion on there, but yeah. You win me with that one. So that is that, and then we have the golf balls, being the TP5s. So yeah, obviously, like I said, it is a pack of 4. So obviously you get 4 sets of them, which I already have photos, so I might give you those up close instead, because they probably look a bit better. But yeah, so I've got them. I might at some point use them to play with, but to be honest, the last time I bought some decent golf balls were some Taylormade Pro V1s. I lost them, all 3. They're not cheap either, so it's a big pain. If you were wondering though, this is like my golf set in the end. I did have a different one when I was younger, but this is what I've got now, which is an SQ set. It is, I believe, the last set that Nike actually ever released for their golf like series, because some of you may or may not know that they don't do golf clubs anymore. So yeah, I've got an Odyssey putter, as you can see. Everything else is Nike SQ. I've got my goofy cover over my driver, and then everything else is sort of hidden and tucked away. This is my current glove. As you can see, it's well worn, so yeah, that's why I want to replace it. I do have the Happy Gilmore, but I really don't want to use that, I'll be perfectly honest. So yeah, you may or may not be able to tell that I'm a big Nike fan, so yeah. If you could restock the golf beanie Nike, or any of the Tiger Woods like pieces, that'd be great. You know, please do that, because that would be great. So yeah. But that's those two. Next up, we have the piece that I got for my brother, who I should be seeing tomorrow, so I can give this to him then. Because why not? At the end of the day. But yeah, I should be seeing him then, and I can give it to him. So that is a massive sticker. What on earth? Jeez, Supreme. It's bigger than the box logo. Look, like, damn. That's probably the largest sticker I've got, or from them I've got. And there's another sticker, so we don't get it as a sticker pack, we just get it in general. But yeah, there is the other one. So I bought for him the float tee, which I'll be honest, I'm just going to show like that. I'm not going to show up close, because I've just noticed the detail of the graphic on it. I don't know if he's going to wear that or not. Oh well, I bought it for him anyway, so yeah. But yeah, that is that covered. For the last piece, boy, I'm safe YouTube, I'm safe, there's no harmful content. But for the last item for this unboxing, we're going to have this, which is actually the first item that I've ever purchased with Supreme using PayPal. That's the second, this is the first because people told me to. Right. So obviously there was the Air Force One restock the other week, and as of that, you know, I was giving it a try. I gave it an attempt. Obviously you can tell we ended up with a pair as of that, but the thing for me is that I've always tried for the Bay or smaller sizes and never really had any success with the more recent restocks or releases of the Air Force One. I obviously hit like the first release that they did when they did it ages ago, but now, you know, re-release at the beginning of the season, during the season, so on and so forth. But the small sizes have always evaded me or eluded me at the end of the day. So yeah, I thought when you click on it in the first place, you're going to get the smallest size come up. So I thought instead of that, I'm just going to click, go down one, add half a size up, see how it goes, PayPal, and it worked. So I ended up with a UK 6, US 6.5, and yeah, they mean absolutely nothing to me, to be honest, at the end of the day. They're just something to sell, because I don't know anyone who is this size, and I'm definitely not this size. So yeah, here they are with the red laces as per norm, but I'm sure everyone's seen them by this point in time. They're very standard and simple. With summer sort of beginning or in like full swing, I'd expect them to probably end up going at some point in time, just because people probably wear them because of that. But yeah, that is basically everything anyway. So yeah, that is going to cover this video. I have nothing else to say in the end. If you enjoyed, I'd like to be much appreciated. Other than that, I will just try to save up the things that I get yet again and unbox them when I can or when I will. I should be unboxing something for like a second channel type of thing, because I'm pretty sure people won't be watching it on here. So yeah, I'll probably just go and throw a cap on so that I just look a bit different for that one. But yeah, it's different and nothing else to say. So I hope that you have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you all next time. Peace.